Are you curious where smart money is flowing in 2025? Want to grow your portfolio with top-performing ETFs? Whether you're just starting or a pro, this video reveals the top 5 best-performing ETFs of 2025 so far. First up is ETF number 1, the iShares Semiconductor ETF, ticker SOXX. 2025 has become the year of semiconductors. This ETF is leading the pack with a staggering year-to-date growth of over 26%. Plus, it offers approximately a 0.7% dividend yield. SOXX focuses on investment themes like AI chips and automation. It includes tech giants such as NVIDIA, Broadcom, and Qualcomm. This ETF rides the AI megatrend wave. It's a growth-heavy option perfect for long-term capital appreciation. Moving on to ETF number 2, Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, or BOTZ. This fund brings excitement with a year-to-date performance of 18%. It has a smaller dividend yield around 0.3%. BOTZ targets robotics and smart automation. It holds stocks in companies like Intuitive Surgical and ABB Group. If you're investing in intelligent machines, BOTZ could be your key to the future. Next, we have ETF number 3, WisdomTree US Quality Dividend Growth ETF, abbreviated as DGRW. Want both dividends and growth? This ETF shines with a performance of 10.2% year-to-date. Its dividend yield is roughly 2.3% paid quarterly. DGRW invests in high-quality U.S. companies like Microsoft and Apple. It combines blue-chip stability with consistent dividends. This balance makes DGRW perfect for both income enthusiasts and growth investors. On to ETF number 4, the Global X Super Dividend US ETF, known as DIV. If you're seeking monthly passive income, DIV is tailor-made for you. This ETF has seen approximately 6.5% growth so far this year, boasting a hefty dividend yield of over 8.5%. DIV focuses on high-yield, low-volatility stocks like Altria Group and AT&T. If generating income is your goal, DIV is a sound choice, though it may sacrifice long-term growth. Lastly, let's explore ETF number 5. Vanguard FTSE All-World X-US ETF, or VEU. Don't overlook international markets. This ETF offers around 12% performance year-to-date and a dividend yield of approximately 2.9%. VEU gives you exposure to blue-chip stocks globally. Companies like Nestle and Samsung Electronics top its holdings. It's a superb option for diversification and tapping into global growth trends. To recap, here are the top 5 best-performing ETFs of 2025 so far. 1. SOXX, the SemiconduSurge. 2. BOTZ, Robotics and AI Explosion. 3. DGRW, Quality Dividend Growth. 4. DIV, your monthly income machine. 5. VEU, the global market. Expansion, whether you're chasing tech growth, monthly income, or global diversification, these ETFs have something for every investor. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Stay informed on smart investing ideas. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Always conduct personal research or consult a licensed advisor before making investment decisions. Thank you for watching Master Financial 101, where we help your money work smarter, not harder.